Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop, bringing you another video. This video is just going to be a very quick one on the cleaning power of Super Clean. You know, you guys, if you have been with my channel for any length of time, you know that I am a huge fan of Super Clean products. I use them all the time, everything here. Now this is actually the second time I've tried to make this video. The first time I made this video was outside and there was some weird thing like floating in front of the camera. So I couldn't make the video. I didn't want to put that out there because it was tremendously distracting. Anyway, I just wanted to show some of the cleaning power on this extremely filthy LT here. So this bike is in here for a clutch. It has the rear main seal leak. It's just absolutely horrifying just how messy this thing really is. But what I'm going to do here is just spray a little bit of the regular Super Clean on it, as well as the foam version. So the foam version is really just the same stuff in a spray can. They did send a wheel cleaner with as well, and I have used that on other wheels. I do have the wheel off of this bike, which I'll might as well demonstrate how that works. But anyway, let's open this baby up and let her rip here. So I like to just let things kind of set for just a minute. And I try to clean some of this stuff up prior to taking it all apart, because it just makes such a mess to do that if you don't do that. Throw some of that on. Take my rag and just wipe it off. It really does a great job. Now you can do this stuff outside, of course, and just rinse it off. You know, use a scrubber or something, kind of agitate it a little bit. But you can see it really makes pretty short work of this stuff. If you haven't already discovered for yourself the wonder that is Super Clean, I truly, highly recommend you go out there and you buy some. You can get it just about at any retailer, whether it's Walmart or auto parts stores or, gosh, anywhere. It's you can, of course, find it online. I even think I have some of it on my Amazon page that's linked down in the bottom if you wanted to just order it from Amazon. Anyway, let's show you the tire stuff as well. Now, of course, the right way to do this would be to go outside and do this. But it's me, and I don't do the right things at the right times all the time. So, the Super Clean wheel cleaner, the instructions here say to rinse it with water and then spray it on there. I'm just going to spray a little area. This is just water right here. And then, there we go. And it says to let it sit for 30 seconds. Now I did feature this stuff in one of my other videos. I have a wheel cleaning video that I tried a bunch of different products on, and the Super Clean was one of those products as well, and it worked fantastic. Just gonna kind of wipe it just a little bit here. You can see it absolutely does work very good. I know it's not the greatest example of how good this stuff can work, but it's what I got right now. One of the things I really like to do with my Super Clean is to use it to clean off the surface of my lift between jobs. This stuff, because it's a foaming one, it really just works out great for this. And you know, you don't use too much, it doesn't spray everywhere. So, quick wipe down. You can see how dirty it gets. Now, of course, they sent some literature along with it, and they feature their products here. Now, they did not send me the foaming one. I did try this before. I wasn't very impressed with that. It seemed pretty mild. I really liked the Super Clean in the can, as well as the regular purple bottled Super Clean. And they did not send me this new floor absorbent. I would like to try that. So guys over at Super Clean, if you're thinking about sending anything else out, send one of those. I'd like to see what that one's all about. Anyway, this all-wheel cleaner says it's great for cleaning rust, lime, and calcium. So I'll have to try that in the house and see what that works like. And once again, there's the other paperwork. Just some of the places where you can buy this stuff. So guys, hope you got a little something out of this one, and go out and get yourself some Super Clean. It really does work good. Take care.